If you want to start a business that makes 30 to 1 lakh rupees from the comfort of your home every month, this is the video to watch. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and Instagram has tons of accounts where people are selling handcrafted jewelry, crochet flowers, print-on-demand tote bags, gifts for couples, printable games for friends, gift boxes, stationery items like habit trackers and planners, handmade keychains and aesthetic candles, and a lot more. All of these you can create from the comfort of your home and start selling to people around the country. This is the easiest business to start. You can create the product by yourself at your home at no added cost. You only create when someone purchases, and you can start selling on Instagram as long as it is aesthetically and visually pleasing. Anything that looks great on Instagram or can help people deepen their bonds with their loved ones or their friends through activities, games, and gifts, it will sell like crazy. And you can go from an idea to a ready-made store with products and payment enabled using Genstore AI, which is an amazing platform that lets you build the entire store and sell it to people in minutes. But first of all, here is the step-by-step process. You come up with an idea for a store you want to build, you create some basic prototypes, click pictures of it which looks really aesthetic and post it on Instagram. Create at least 12 to 24 posts, have clear descriptions for what you're trying to create and why, and at the end have a link in the bio for people to order it by clicking and paying over there. I'll show you in just some time how you can build your own store with Genstore in minutes, and once you get an order placed, then you can start fulfilling the order from the comfort of your home. So you create the product yourself and then you ship it out to them via partners like Delivery, ShipRocket, and ExpressBees, and many more. And here are some examples for reference. Look at this Instagram account which is selling digital gifts for the people that you love. Look at their Instagram posts and then you can click on the link in bio and actually buy these gifts for your loved ones. Here is another example for a handmade jewelry brand. You can look at all of their pictures and their reels on their account. Notice how visually pleasing they look, and you can, as always, DM them and actually place the order. Here is an example of a detective game that you can play with your friend or with your partner and have a great time together. This is like a date night idea. This is a digital product, so you just have to print it out and sell it to the person. It does not involve any customization and it is a high margin product. And this is an example of a crochet flower brand. You can create these flowers yourself if you are good at crafts, and you can start selling it to people, and these flowers stay forever. So they will always be with the person and you can charge a higher price for it versus regular flowers which actually disintegrate in the future. And here's another example of a clothing brand started by a girl, and she basically puts her pictures and her videos wearing those clothing and outfits, and people end up buying that by clicking on the link in the bio and purchasing those clothing items from her. And here is an example of a company selling customized tote bags which look amazing, and people love their tote and they are willing to spend 500 to 1000 rupees on it. So as you can see, people are selling hundreds and thousands of these items by simply being creative and doing it all themselves. Now the biggest question you would have is, how do I set up my own store? Well, that's where Genstore comes into the picture. Genstore is a full stack AI platform which helps you launch your digital store in minutes. Alright, so this right here is Genstore. You can simply describe what store you want to build and what do you want to sell and what design you want, and it just builds it for you in minutes. Alright, so this is Genstore. Once you create your account, this is what you will see right here, and you can start describing the type of store you want to build. So I want to sell digital habit trackers from Notion that people can download and learn new habits and stay consistent. Let's say that's what I'm trying to primarily focus on. Keep the design minimal and use beige, black color scheme and keep a serif font, for example. And you can just go in as much depth as you want about the store that you want to build. You can even add pictures if you want to over here. So once you're done with that, you can basically start building the store for you. So if you'll see, this is launching different agents. So Genstore has a lot of agents that you can use to build out the store that you want to. The first one is the design agent. Design agent is going to help you build the store in the exact design layout that you want. Then there's also a product agent, which can basically take any image of a product that you have and turn it into ready-made titles, descriptions, pricing, category, everything in between, right? So this is rupees. You can change the price. Let's say I want to sell it for 500 rupees. I can add that. I can upload an image of what the tracker would look like. Upload file. You can generate these images using AI. You can also create your own product and click aesthetic pictures of it. And then you can simply select it and confirm. And we are good to go. You can add the description yourself, the title, and if it is good, then just click on confirm. This is the first product on our page. And now it will start building it out for us. Then it is asking us for the store name. I'll just go with Content Pulse. Then it is asking for the domain. So I can set up this domain, or I can have my own domain name that I buy from GoDaddy or Namecheap, but I'll just use this for now. And then it is asking me to set up payments. This is really important. If you're selling something, you need the payment mechanism to work, the gateway to work, and Genstore automatically handles this for you. You just need to enter your bank details over here. So I'll probably click over here and add my payment information. So I will activate Genstore payments, and this is a sole proprietorship. I will just click on next. I just need to add all of this information, and then I can basically proceed. And once I add my payment information, I can go and look at my current store. So this is what the preview of the current store looks like. As you can see, this entire web page, the store was built in less than 5 minutes right in front of you. It has all the different layouts. It has products, it has contact us, it has blogs, and you can make all the changes that you want to over here. So you can click on customize and you can start working on it just like so. So this is the customize section. You can make very particular changes to it if you want to. You can also make it responsive. As you can see, it works on a mobile phone, it works on a laptop screen, and it just works very well. So that's about the design. You can add more images that you want to. They have plenty of templates for you to choose from. So let's say I like this particular template for the website. I can just add it. And now I can switch to this new theme for my digital store. You can not only create stores on Genstore, you can also view the marketing side of it. So are you sending emails? Are you handling SMS, social media marketing? You can all view it in one place itself. You can look at the sales channels. So how are people buying it? Is it happening on inbox? You can connect your Instagram account and you can view everything. So if I go over here, I can see all the sessions. I can have a deep analysis of what pages are people using, what products are selling the most, and then I can make decisions accordingly. I can also connect it with various different apps, as you can see right here. So Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, they have various services like MailChimp available for you so that you can build out an entire store without going anywhere else. That is the best part about it. So far, you've just seen the design agent, but Genstore also has a launch agent which helps you publish the website for anyone to view. There is a campaign agent which lets you create discounts and limited time offers for people to buy your products on your website. Then there is also a support agent which lets your store run 24/7. It catches all the issues that people are facing and reports it back to you, which is super important. So many times people try to use your website, they don't know how to access it properly, they have some questions, they have some doubts, and they end up losing out on some of the sales if you're not responding to them. Think of it as employees who are working with you 24/7, building the store on your behalf. That is the best part about Genstore. It's a complete end-to-end AI commerce platform that helps you go from idea to launch in minutes. Now, if you want to get started with Genstore, check out the link in the description. You will get access to 10 free credits on the platform, after which you can pay for any additional usage that you want to. And you can even join their Discord server for extra credits. That was about Genstore. The next step is to start promoting what you've built through ads on Instagram and Facebook, and start running smaller ads like 2,000, 5,000 rupees ad spend, and just see what is making sales for you. And then double down on what works. Try out various different ad formats. Could be a reel that you're promoting, could be an Instagram story that you're trying to promote. Focus on the high earning urban population of the country. the right type of people who are aged between 25 to 34, who can spend money, they have extra money with them to buy gifts, to buy these experiences, to buy these, habit trackers and planners. You can very clearly see all of this when you're promoting your product on Instagram or on Facebook in their ads management section. And then you can start selling and make your first 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 rupees per month, all with the help of doing what you genuinely love. So this was the entire video on how to start a small business with Instagram and using Genstore to build your digital storefront. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comment section. Check out Genstore with a link in the description, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.